Welcome to this video. I'm so glad you're watching. I didn't do an English video in a pretty long time. I don't know, I was just not feeling like speaking English and I don't know. But let's go. Let's do this. In my last video I was doing also a makeup tutorial, but I kind of like didn't do it well. I mean, it was like okay, but it wasn't the best. So today I want to, try my best again and hopefully not fail this time. So yeah, let's get into it. I want to again erase my eyebrows because we don't love, and I think with my dark hair it just like looks really good when you have like light eyebrows. I don't know, I was just like feeling that vibe lately. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to erase my eyebrows. We are going to do it with a glue, which is here. I always use like a stick glue. It works like the best, I think. I think this is not the best for your face, obviously, but I think you can find some really good ones. Maybe I think you can also find like ones that are not like harsh on your face. Maybe like some makeup brand has like a glue for like makeup artists so they can like put their eyebrow away. I don't know. So yeah, or you can just like shave it, but not doing that today. So yeah, so we just like go into it, like straight into it. Just don't think about it much. When I was starting doing this, like when I was learning how to do this, I always like I didn't put the glue that much in there, which isn't the best because then it doesn't work as well. And now we just like brush it up nicely. Like this, and you just don't forget any of your hair, you're right, because that will like mess it up. So yeah, try to like really brush it up as much as you can. Don't leave any hair out because that could mess it up, so be careful. And now just like really press on it so that it's like really flat. We just want it to be like our face, like we don't have any eyebrow, so just like this. And when you look, you just can see like there is like a shade, but I don't have that. Like, see, there is like, it's flat, and this side it's like not, because we have an eyebrow there. So do it like this. Now the other eyebrow too. Like, you just really want the glue to go through your eyebrow. Like, not even a single hair can be like without the glue, it all has to be covered in glue. It looks honestly really crazy, but it works. And I saw like actual makeup artists doing this, so in the show Glow Up, it's like this British makeup competition, and there's like makeup artists that are competing, and it's very interesting, honestly. I really like that show because they're like really creative. Like, you just see these people and their thoughts, and it's just like honestly awesome. Like, it's just like you can see like the art of makeup in that show, and it's very awesome, and I love this. So check it out. But they actually did this technique, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's why I do it. Because I trust them, they were like actual people that honestly really know this industry really well. So that's that. And we will put like more than just one coat on it because we want to have it like really like flat and really like no eyebrow there, really. You just want to have like flat, and when you have hair and you just cover it a little bit, it still doesn't like look as good. I will show you like a picture here. So yeah, careful with that. You just need to like cover it all up because that's gonna work the best. Honestly, I miss like creative makeup so much. So I had like a phase where I was doing it all the time. Like I came back from school and I just did it. Like I always was like, that's my hobby, you know, and I was like doing it all the time, and I miss this, so this is why I'm doing this right now. And why I'm so excited about it, because oh man, I miss this so much. It's like actually like, it's just so therapeutic, honestly. It's so good. So that's that. Okay, and just let it dry and then put another coat. It honestly pays off to put like more coats, because then it's like really good, you know. It works way better when you put more coats than just one. So for some reason I made this whole process so long and it's so like annoying to watch. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did and show you some videos, because it's going to be like easier and shorter and more exciting. So let's do that. So first, what you do is obviously put the glue on the eyebrow. Then you put powder on it, and then you put glue on it again. Then you put powder on it and glue and powder, and just like you repeat this cycle all over and all over again. I gave you this like a tutorial, so do it by that. Then when you do this and you have like nice flat eyebrows, then you put concealer on it. Blend out the edges of the concealer that you covered your whole like eyebrow with, and then you put powder on it again, and then if it's necessary you put again the concealer on it, blend out the edges, then again put powder on it, and this is like your whole process. And then you just do your whole like face, and that's when the fun starts. And let's do contour. I have this Plunger Stick by NYX. Let's do this like this. And we blend it up, 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 up. And I always blend the nose with my fingers. No, just like it's more precise. And I think it's time for a little bit of freckles. I know I just love freckles with this kind of look, so let's just do it as much as we can. Okay, I think this is good. I don't know if it's good. Can you see? And I'm gonna blend a few of these freckles, because I don't want them like on some places as much, you know, just like slightly like this. Okay, I think this is good. I like this. Look at my base. So nice. Let's put a lot of highlighter. Highlighter is highlighter. We love highlighter. Highlighter? I mean blush. Why did I do that? Anyway. Lately I've been loving like a blush like here. Like here and here. It just looks really nice. So let's do that right now. Like, look how cute. And now I just love this a lot. Like, this is cute. Let's put more, because I just love blush. And let's get to the look, shall we? I'm gonna use this palette. It's from Revolution London. It's called the Marvelous Matte. and we're gonna play with some colors. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty pink. I don't know. Pretty pink, pretty purple, pretty red-ish. Just like the vibe of this look, okay? I'm gonna start with pink. This pink in the corner. And I'm just gonna go into it. I'm just gonna go like this, you know? So that we know the structure of this. Because we don't have eyebrows. Let's just like make this whole look without eyebrows. We don't even know that eyebrows exist anymore. We just don't know them, so let's just like go in it, you know? Oh my god, I miss makeup so much. I can't even know. This is really my hobby. Like, I just love. Anyway, I hope you don't mind these videos being a little longer, because honestly I love recording them, so I hope you do not mind. Let's go with the red, and let's make this a little darker, shall we? I don't know, this looks really bad. I'm so sorry. Did I just like really ruin this? No, I didn't. It's fine. Just trust the process. I think I'm trusting it too much, but it's okay. Maybe we will add glitter, and glitter is going to save us. Okay, let's do a little cut crease. Okay, cool. This is epic. I think it's going to be good. Let's put powder on it, because I think it's going to be like a little bit messy if we don't. And I want to do like these colors like right around my eye. I feel like it's missing something, and the something is that I want to make like bubbles with white eyeliner. The NYX cosmetic, this one, white, and then this one from Sephora. Maybe I will start with this one and then like put another coat of that one. So let's do a wing this time. Let's do white lashes. I think it's going to look really awesome. So I use this end of this like one eye pencil or eyebrow pencil, and I always like put it into this, and it just works pretty well. I like this. I think this is a pretty cool look. I don't know, but I feel like it's epic. I think the lashes could be more white. If you have a white eye pencil, it's going to look really even like better, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna stick with this. Let's put highlighter on. I have this one from notsofunnyany.com. It's in the shade Date Night. It's my favorite. I just like love, love, love. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it just like cares, you know, and we love that. Look at that glow. Like, I'm sorry. This is the best. And no one can prove me otherwise. Like, I actually didn't find a better highlighter than this. Not that I was like searching really badly, but you know, it just is like that, so. And it looks so nice, and they have like, I think 2 more shades. I really want to do like the red lip, but like that's not the vibe, you know, that's not the vibe today. I mean it is, but like we should not do, well, let's do it and then like let's see if it's good. I'm gonna use this. It's the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. Like this like ombre lip, you know. I am going to put this on it. It's the Florence Glow Yeah Lip Oil, and it looks really good with this look, so. I'm obsessed, honestly. I know, it just like came with the process. I didn't really have this in my mind when I was when I was like, oh, I should do some makeup. I didn't have this in my mind. But are we mad about it? I think we are not, because this is pretty fire. And I'm kinda obsessed. You know, tell me your opinions on this look in the comments. I will really appreciate that. And yeah, give me thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you like me and my content. Thanks for watching. I love you. What am I?